Hi guys, my name is Q.dot. I'm making this video to apologize to all Muslims all over the world, my fans, my friends, my family that are Muslim. I'm making this video. I'm making this video. I want you guys to forgive me if I've said anything, to that we better Islam. Islam more. I want you guys to go back to the video, try and listen to what I say. Musulumi. So I'm trying to say to them, much about this religion. I'm seeking for knowledge on it. So how come we won't be so who's got move so I shall not be notified sorrow compared with holy back on. Bani Muslim, what Moya Mabeshi, Boya Mufe Shadua from Gramami. She or Christian Mufe, Muslim, my pretty die, Musulumi. So just look for somewhere to forgive me. Tí òbíyàn bá ní ṣùpẹ̀lẹ́yàn as a Yorùbá mọ̀ Yorùbá ní ìbọn ló máa padà bẹ̀ wọ́n. So I want you guys to forgive me if I say anything that is wrong. So ẹ má bínú sí mi, and to Christian community as well. If I say something, to prophet I feel like it's wrong, for example, kan Jésù mọ́gi ẹ jọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run mo fi medium yìí ẹ má bínú sí mi nítorí Ọlọ́run mo bẹ̀ yín. To my fans that feel like this apology is not needed, I want this apology. Má bínú. So I want more friends, I don't want more enemy. Live on people here, and this actually go over my emotion, which is very wrong. So I learned another lesson that I need to always control your emotion in this life. So use an F word of anything, all the Muslim, all my fans that are Muslim, the Christian community. And I promise you guys I will never involve myself in this kind of religion contest because it's causing a lot it's causing a lot in Nigeria at the moment. We need to look for a way to sort it out. So Emma Benin me people like Alhamdulillah, and a lot of people stream this song, be you Christian, be you Muslim. So I don't want to create hatred, I don't want to create enemy. You guys are my people. I don't do alone. I dáríjì mi tí bá sọ̀rọ̀ kan tó yẹ pé feel like ó sọ̀rọ̀ tí ó rí bákan. Dáríjì mi. And to the Fulani that is part of us in this country, I'm talking about the good one that don't have intention of killing people, doing bad things. If you feel like my new song, the signal, only impact don't ṣe lára yín in summer. It might be useful. I dáríjì mi. So I just want peace. We have to control ourselves these days. The internet is doing a lot. We have to be careful. So I still remain my humble self. Q.dot Alagbe. So to all my people that feel like Q.dot, you disappointed me, this and that, I'm not being seen. So I don't want none.
One love, people together.
One love.